It's not actually a bad thing that things are slowing down a little bit.
It's so cute. So much sweat. My room becomes clean and nice, and then the next day as I bring in more stuff, it quickly becomes a mess again. Like, I don't know, I feel like the process of all of this is gonna take some time, months maybe, because I'm fitting a whole room, mind you, a way bigger room, plus a closet worth and a bathroom's worth. Putting that all into a space that is already lived in and a much smaller room. Definitely gonna be getting rid of lots of things and sweating throughout the entire process because we don't have air conditioning. Though I'm happy to be home, let me just say that. Definitely a two-person job, but I can do it on my own. Hey. One day I might have books falling on my head. You already know. My little babies. Let me just not talk like this for a second. I get like the Sunny Angel hype because I mean I have a few of them. But I do understand. It's a little weird. Like, it's a little weird. The ones that look like dinosaurs. Come on. Come on. They're adorable. The ones that are clothed. I mean, as I have a naked one sitting right there.
Hey guys.
I missed you. Ooh. Oh my gosh, guys. My back scratcher. I'm gonna need this because I've gotten so many bug bites, so feels nice.
I like it when you go, baby, make it. Oh.
Hello. Ah! When did you get here?
I've been here. Also, this is mine.
Right. Wanna help me clean?
No.
Pizza night tonight.
We're having pizza.
Excited. I've been here for about 3 days now, and the time has been going by so fast. I don't even, every day is just like over within an instant. But just because I'm having so much fun.
No, I actually.
Okay. Are we posting this?
Yeah, but that's the crystal mom.
Okay. This is probably one of my favorite things about being home. It's just like
hanging out.
Yeah. It's always a fun day every day. Is that stupid?
So much fun.
I feel like we just value our time spent together.
Come hang out in my room.
Mm-hmm.
Come drive with me.
Come have a sleepover with me, and that's like every day.
Come watch a movie.
Yeah.
Anybody want salad?
This is a game to pick the most. But juicy watermelon.
I can't.
Okay.
Come on, buddy. You got this. The whole world is watching.
Dude, I thought we weren't doing. You said literally from the head to the waist.
Keep it safe, keep it safe.
Head, you said head to the waist.
That's the shoulders down.
I got you. Wait, wait! Hey!
Oh!
No.
Are you okay, Mia?
Hey. It's so pretty.
Like 2 hours past Maddie's birthday, but she didn't get to open up any of her Sunny Angels. She's opened up a few already. You want to show them the few?
I got parrot. I got birthday bear, yellow. I got a pink birthday cake. And I got a red panda. This one's so.
Oh, that hurt. Sorry.
Okay, we're opening up the sweets next. They want me to get the strawberry shortcake or the fruit tart. I think I'd be content with any of them. I don't want to say what. There's one in specific that I really don't want.
You're gonna get that one.
I know. I probably just spoke it into existence. Oh, no reaction. Oh, it's an ice cream cone! Wait, this one's so cute! It's so cute!
I think the calico cat's really cute, or the alpaca.
All kind of a little strange though. I don't know.
Is this the hippo? Oh my god! Is this the hippo?
Oh my god.
Oh my
I'm not looking, I'm still not looking. Is it the hippo? No. This is not the one I want.
And that's the one you didn't want out of all of them.
It's literally the one I didn't want. That's okay.
I'll buy it off of you. I like it. That's the one I wanted.
You can have it.
Really? He looks really disappointed actually.
Oh, it's a pear!
why is it built like
Oh, it's a green.
Couldn't see? Show the camera.
And it's green. I like green. Go!
Oh,
What?
that
What?
is so good.
Oh, wait,
That's perfect.
What?
Which one? You're holding it upside down.
Oh, it's the bunny! Oh, I got the bunny! Oh, that's
Squad
cute.
up, bruh.
Squad.
This is crazy.
Obviously, as you can tell, I'm back in my childhood home. Been honestly a lazy past couple of weeks. And when I mean lazy, I mean like I've just been easing into living back here, living back in like my hometown, which is a lot different from where I lived before. I've been more just like spending time with my family, with my sisters. Wherever they go, I go, or wherever I go, they come with. Though I really like cherish that, I am being a little lazy, letting myself have a little bit more downtime than usual. I will say I've been doing other little side projects, posting on a few different other channels. One of them specifically is like a love letters channel where I give advice or words of encouragement, and though no one has seen those videos yet, like there's 0 views, I actually really enjoy just like talking to the camera and saying hopefully these words that one day resonate with someone. My last question for you guys is, how is everyone doing? Are you in school? Are you taking a break from school? As am I. Are you in a new relationship? What? Finding friends, is everything going well? You know, I would love to hear your guys' life updates because, you know, you just sat and listened through mine. So let's get the day started. It's 1 p.m. and the day is finally starting for us over here.
Look at where we've decided to display our Pop Marts. It's like in the little Hogwarts house that me and Ernie built together. He is not from Harry Potter, as you would know. He's from Lord of the Rings, actually. There's a little Pop Mart of Hermione, but I need to remember his name. Sirius. There we go. Guys, check it out. Ernie got me some flowers. So sweet of him. They're little roses. Aww. It says happy 2 years and 3 months, my love, Ernesto Delgado. That's so sweet. I've never gotten sent flowers, guys. Like, this is a monumental moment. Let's put these in water. They're so beautiful. It's fancy in here. I want that.
We are at Chow XO. It's an Asian fusion restaurant, I believe mixed with Mexicans.
This plant is all up in my hair. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it smells good.
This is the matcha latte.
I can't even drink my drink now because she wants me to wait till all the food comes out so I can start drinking it so she can take a picture of it. You know what? It's okay, I have a sister just like me. This music is so loud. Oh, that is really good. Ernie's here. And I'm so happy. I'm so excited.
It smells good.
What'd you guys eat? Things like fun. Why are you recording?
Hey,
Fun. Funsies. Because we're having Korean barbecue. Dude.
hey. Say hey.
Yeah. Here's Milo. Hello, Milo. Oh man, it's still tracking your face, Ernie. This thing's so confusing.
We got pork belly. I think mom's making some bulgogi. And kimchi.
Okay. Oh lord, this is gonna be an intense one. Look at this. Look at how much this serves. Are you excited? Yeah, actually?
Yeah.
For this episode?
No.
Yum! This is my plate. Yeah! We're George fans. Do you like this show or no?
It's cool. Very happy about that. About that. Bro, Cordell is 22 years old.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Oh yeah. Yeah, right?
I'm doing a little nighttime skincare routine and I turn on all my lights in my room to make it a little bit cozy. Today I'm gonna attempt to sleep early. I don't know if it will happen because most of the times I'm sleeping around 1 to 2 a.m. But I think today will be the day. My dad's actually going to install some shelves on this side right here, but I'm kind of redecorating the room just to vamp it up a bit. I don't know exactly for how long I'll be living here, but I know that I'm having a good time, and every time I think about the being here and also like leaving, I get sad because I'm like, I'm having so much fun here, and when will I ever get to say that I will be living with my family? There may come a time in life where I'm like, I'm never going to be living with my family like this again, and one day like all of that just changes and you don't think about how precious and special all of that time was. And so I'm really grateful to be able to be under the same roof with my parents again, and you know, thankful that they even let me come back. And as my parents are getting older, you know, I don't know, it's scary thinking about them also growing. You know, as a kid you never think that happens, that your parents age, and that one day you might not get to live every day with them like I am now. And so don't get emotional. There's always a positive outlook on any situation in life, I'd like to think. So with that being said, I don't know what I'm really doing living here right now. I know that I'm really just enjoying this time. For now, I might as well make the most of it, decorate my room again. I'm also gonna go in with this peach nice and conditioning milk by Nua. Look how cute it is, guys. I thought it was actually more of like a toner, but it's a soft, milky kind of texture and it smells so good. Also have the matching Anua 77 nice and enriched cream, pink as well. Everyone that is feeling a little bit stuck in life, also feeling like they're going backward, try to take this time to relax, to fuel your hobbies, to reinvent yourself, feel like yourself again, find ways that you can grow from this experience. And for those of you that are feeling stuck, maybe it's a setback to start moving forward in a different direction. Maybe it's not actually a bad thing that things are slowing down a little bit. Maybe your whole life you've been moving so fast that you've never given yourself time to really think about what it is you want. And there's no such thing as going backwards. Every step is a move forward. Now you're on a different chapter of your life, and maybe you're in the same city, same town as a different chapter, but it looks different. You're different. So you're not going backwards. You're still always moving forward. I'll see you guys in the next video where we're gonna decorate a room a bit, clean up, hopefully once again bring the good vibes. So